Oh, I love making the bed. And what a beautifully made bed. Oh, where's the other pillow? Binoo, you sleepyhead. It's not sleepy time. It's bed-making time. Oh, Binoo, is that your favorite pillow? Don't you think that I could try it just to feel why it's so fabulous? No? Oh. Please, 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 Binoo. Thanks, Binoo. Oh, it's so super soft and so fabulously fluffy. I got it! I got it! Whoa! Sorry, Binoo. Uh-oh. Hmm? There it is, Binoo! Follow that pillow!
Blankets all blankety, pillows all pillowy. Patchy patch aboard, vroom vroom and zoom.
Your pillow, Binoo! Oh, silly me. This isn't a pillow. It's a cloud. Oh, but Binoo, this cloud looks so fabulously fluffy and pillowy. I can make it into a perfect pillow just for you, Binoo. Whoa, this cloud is so squishy. And quacky. What's this? Yeah. Whoops. Excuse me, Mr. Bird. Sorry. Have you seen anything fluffy and pillowy today? Oh, perfecto! Binoo, I see it. I see your pillow. Thank you, Mr. Bird. Silly me. There's no pillow here, just snow. Don't worry, Binoo. This snow is so fluffy and so pillowy. I can make the most perfect pillow ever, just for you. Now, let's see, Binoo. Where do you think that the fluffiest, pillowiest snow could be? Oh, maybe over here. Oh, here's some nice snow. Oh, and some of this snow, too, I think. And, oh, I like this snow. This is gonna be a great pillow for Binoo. Binoo! Huh? What? Oh, Binoo! Mr. Sheep is having a nappy nap. Oh, that is so cute. Wait a second. Mr. Sheep is having a nappy nap on your favorite pillow. Binoo, I found your favorite pillow. I am so fabulous. Oh, right. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, but Mr. Sheep looks so comfy, cozy. What are we gonna do?
Oh, that's a great idea, Binoo. He's going to love this so much. Oh, Mr. Sheep looks so snuggly-wuggly. We better not wake him. Now lift his head very slowly, Binoo.
A little more. More. Good. And take this and... Okay, Binoo, lower him down. Shh. Now, Mr. Sheep has his very own perfect pillow. There you go, Mr. Sheep. All comfy cozy. Sleepy, sheepy, snowy white. Snoozy woozy through the night. Comfy, cozy, sleepy tight. Nighty, 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 night. Oh, Binoo. And now you have your favorite pillow, too. Oh, let's go home, Binoo, so that you can sleep on it. Goodbye, Mr. Sheep. Thanks again.
I'm so glad I found your pillow today. Nighty-night, Binoo. Mwah. Oh, I see, Binoo. It's your favorite pillow because you share it with Patchy Patch. Oh, there's something I'd like to share with Patchy Patch, too. Could you give Patchy this from me? Mwah.